This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Remove the engine cover. Disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery on the remote battery terminal. Then isolate and secure it with the nut. Remove the air filter housing as shown. Disconnect the PCV hose. Loosen the hose clamp and disconnect the electrical connector from the air filter housing cover. Unlock the front locking tabs and lift up the housing cover. Pull the cover outward to disengage the rear tabs. Remove the air filter element. Pry out the plastic retainer securing the front of the air inlet. Then remove the fastener securing the housing. Pull up and remove the housing, noting the grommets in the studs that secure the bottom of the housing. Loosen and remove the hose clamp at the bottom of the intake tube connecting to the throttle body. Then remove the duct at the top of the intake tube to allow for removal. Remove the starter mounting bolts. And also the bolt between the two starter motor mounting bolts retaining the throttle body bracket. Disconnect the electrical connector at the throttle body. Remove the throttle body mounting bolts. And throttle body bracket. Remove the throttle body. Push the starter back toward the underside of the intake manifold, then tilt the nose up and pull the starter up and out. Rotate the starter around on the back side to allow access to the electrical connectors. Disconnect the starter solenoid field wire electrical connector. Remove the nut from the battery positive cable at the starter motor, then remove the cable. Remove the starter motor. Lower the new starter motor in place where the electrical connectors on the back of the starter are accessible, and connect the battery positive cable and nut. Tighten the nut securely. Connect the field wire electrical connector, then rotate the back of the starter downward and position the new starter in its place for installation. Install the throttle body and mounting bolts, with the throttle body bracket fastened by the two right side throttle body mounting bolts. Reconnect the throttle body electrical connector. Install the two starter motor mounting bolts with the ground wire fastened by the right mounting bolt. Tighten the two mounting fasteners to 40 foot-pounds. Make sure this torque only applies to the two starter mounting fasteners, not the fastener for the throttle body bracket. Make sure not to get these bolts confused. Install the bigger throttle body mounting bracket bolt. Tighten it to 25 foot-pounds. Tighten the throttle body mounting bolts to 79 inch-pounds on 2007 models with 4-cylinder engines, and 65 inch-pounds on 2008 and later models with 4-cylinder engines. Install the intake tube and tighten the lower hose clamp securely. Connect the upper duct to the intake tube and secure it with the hose clamp. Install the air filter housing back into place, aligning and securing the grommets at the bottom of the housing into their studs. Install the housing fastener and tighten it securely. Install the plastic retainer. Install the new air filter element, seating it properly. Install the filter housing cover by sliding the rear tabs in first, then securing the front locking tabs. Reconnect the intake tube, PCV hose, and the electrical connector to the filter cover. Tighten the hose clamp securely. Connect the cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Replace the engine cover.